Checking my box of sweet potatoes. I see a lot of vines sticking out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those sweet potatoes. Still looking good. So what I'm going to do, I took some of the vines off of them and put them in some water to get the roots to grow. And I put them outside. But I think I'm just going to take these vines and just stick them in the soil and see if they're gonna grow the sweet potato slips that way. I see some of the leaves are starting to grow on them. They're kind of purple looking. I'm gonna put them outside in the bed with the other sweet potato slips that's already growing, and see what's gonna happen. See if it's gonna grow me some more sweet potatoes. Pull it off the sweet potato, and I'm gonna stick it in the soil. Got a lot of them growing. Okay, let me go and put these outside. I'm gonna add some more soil over here with my sweet potato bed, and I'm gonna clean out this bed here and make this my russet potato bed. Move out my zinnia flowers and get this ready to plant my potatoes in. I just have 7 potatoes in here so far. This is the russet potatoes. I'm gonna add some more in this bed. I'm gonna get the soil and cover over this, and then put some straw mulch on top of it. And let's watch it grow. I'm gonna get the russet potatoes and add them later. Okay, over here, let me get busy adding these sweet potato vines in the soil and see how they're gonna grow. I added more sweet potato vines over here in my sweet potato bed. Gonna cover them up with some more soil, and let's watch them grow. Let's see if they're gonna get some beautiful green sweet potato leaves on them like these slips that I already put in here. Come on. Grow some nice sweet potatoes. Okay, let me add a little more soil on top of the sweet potato slips and the vines. And some more over here on the russet potatoes bed area. And I'm going to cover them with the straw and water them in. Okay, I have both sides of my sweet potato bed and my russet potato bed covered up with straw to help keep the moisture in the soil, so it won't get, also so when it rains it won't dry them out. To have the mulch, the straw used as mulch over the sweet potato in the russet potato bed. Okay, now come on and grow those beautiful sweet potato green leaves and the russet potato green leaves too. And grow me a lot of sweet potatoes and a lot of russet potatoes.